There is another very interesting concept related to heat transfer, which is the concept of the driving force. In fact, in the fluids course, I believe I mentioned this to you. That in fluids there is a driving force, which is the pressure difference. In other words, the pressure differences between 2 points determines that a fluid starts to move. Remember that pressure is force per unit area, so if there is pressure, it's as if we were pushing. Therefore, the primary driving force in fluids is the difference in pressure. In heat transfer, what do you think would be the driving force?
The difference in temperature?
The difference in temperature, correct. So see how interesting this is, because this is also something quite fundamental that I need to understand thoroughly, as it will allow me to grasp a series of important concepts when they are eventually presented to me. For instance, gaining an understanding of the fundamental equation of conduction as it incorporates the delta T. The fundamental equation of convection, it also includes delta T. The one for radiation is indeed a bit different, but it can even be adapted to include the delta T there. Let's say if we had a hot body and a cold body. This applies whether I have two stones, one hot and one cold, or if I have two fluids, two streams in two separate pipes, which is essentially the concept of heat exchange. Two pipes, one hot and one cold. So in which direction would we expect the heat to flow?
From the hot to the cold.
Okay, from the hot fluid, yep. From the hot body to the cold, that is generally true. And so these are the fundamental concepts that form the foundational basis of heat transfer.